Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Collins here. Today for science, we are going to talk about oceans. First, let's figure out, what are oceans?
What are they? Oceans are very large bodies of salt water. Earth has 5 oceans. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Southern Oceans. The oceans connect to one another. Oceans cover much of Earth.
Yes, boys and girls, oceans can cover nearly 71% of the Earth's surface.
PebbleGo.
How oceans formed. Earth's oceans formed billions of years ago. As Earth formed, it was hot. It had no water at all. As it cooled, gases condensed into rain. Water filled low areas, which became oceans. Ocean zones.
Oceans have 5 zones. The sunlight zone is at the top. The twilight and midnight zones are in the middle of the ocean. The abyss is near the bottom. The trenches make up the deepest zone.
Zooming into this picture, you can see a little bit better about the zones that he was talking about. Sunlight zone is at the top. Why do you think it might be called sunlight zone? That's right, because that's the part of the ocean that gets the most sunlight. Then we have the twilight zone, the midnight zone, the abyss, and the trenches. Is there anyone that would like to swim down all the way to the abyss? Not me.
Ocean plants.
Plants in the ocean are much different from land plants. Seaweed and kelp do not have roots. They attach to rocks and grow. Fish and other sea creatures eat plants. They hide in them too.
So if we take a closer look at this picture, like he said, the ocean plants do not have roots. The plants that we're used to, we plant in the soil and roots grow and help them to survive. Well, is there any soil down here in the ocean for the plants to grow in? Nope. And do you see this little fish trying to hide inside the plant? Can you think of another fish that you might have seen in a Disney movie that hid inside of an ocean plant? Was anyone thinking of Nemo?
Ocean animals. Millions of animals live in Earth's oceans. Whales and other mammals make their homes here. Fish, sea turtles, and crabs do too. The ocean floor is home to eels, shrimp, and giant squids.
All right, let's take a look and see if there's a video about an ocean. There sure is. Does anyone know what that animal is doing or what that animal is called? Looks like a seal to me. Do you notice all the fish swimming by very quickly? Oh, I think I see some scuba divers. Scuba diving is a fun activity that you can do down in the ocean. Here comes some more fish. All right, thank you for learning about oceans with me today. See you soon.